Ever wanted to earn money by creating animation videos like this? What if I told you that you could start making videos that attract millions of views and turn those views into real cash? There are already channels out there making thousands every month just from this. The best part? You don't need expensive tools or a huge budget to get started. With just a little help from AI, you can create amazing animations for free, and it takes only 10 minutes to begin. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to craft viral animation videos step by step. Ready to get started? Let's make it happen. Step 1, crafting your story. Alright, let's kick things off with the most important part, your story. This is where the magic begins. A great animation starts with a fantastic story, so take a moment to think about what you want your animation to be about. Not sure where to start? No worries, I've made it super easy for you. In the description of this video, I've attached a prompt that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT. Just paste it, hit submit, and in no time, ChatGPT will give you 10 cool story ideas to choose from. How awesome is that? Once you pick the idea you like best, go back to the second prompt I attached in the description of this video. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT again, and this time tell it the number of the idea you picked, how many characters you want in your story. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate a full, detailed, Disney-style story that's perfect for animation. And just like that, your story is ready to go. Step 2, let's bring that story to life with images. Now it's time to turn your story into visuals. For that, we're using GoEnhance AI. And trust me, it's amazing. GoEnhance is an all-in-one AI video creation tool that makes things super simple, even if you've never done this before. It can generate images, create full videos, and even enhance your visuals, all in just a few clicks. I've added the link to GoEnhance in the description. Click it, then hit try GoEnhance for free and sign up. Once you're in, click on AI Image Generator. That's where we'll start creating our visuals. But first, we need image prompts based on your story. So head back to ChatGPT and use prompt 3 from the description. Paste it in, submit, and ChatGPT will describe your main character. Break your story into scenes. Give you prompts for each scene. Let's begin with the character. Copy the character prompt, go to GoEnhance, and paste it in the prompt box. You'll see different models like Flux, Flux Pro Ultra, and more, all super cool. For this video, let's go with Flux, since we want a consistent character design. Now, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. That's a portrait format, great for characters. Pick how many images you want and hit generate. In a few seconds, your character will be ready. If they look good, download the one you like. Easy, right? Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt, and paste it into GoEnhance. Make sure to upload your character image as a reference. That way, the character stays consistent across all scenes. This time, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, that's the widescreen format for YouTube. Select your model again and hit generate. In just a few moments, you'll have your first scene ready. Take a look. If it looks good, download it. If not, try generating a few more until you're happy with it. Want your images to look even better? GoEnhance has a feature just for that. Go back to the home page and select Image Enhancer. Upload the scene image you just downloaded. Tweak the settings to your liking. And click Generate. Within seconds, your image will come out sharper and more vibrant. Preview it, and if it looks good, download it. Simple. Now, just repeat the same steps for the rest of your scenes. Generate the image, enhance the quality, and download. Do this until your full story is visually ready. If you're finding this video helpful, do me a quick favor. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It helps a lot and keeps me motivated to bring you more value-packed content like this. Now that you've done that, let's move on to the next step. Step 3, turning our images into video. Okay, now we've got our images and it's time to bring them to life. For this, we're going to stick with GoEnhance AI because it does an awesome job with turning images into smooth, professional-looking videos. So let's jump back to the GoEnhance homepage. Click on AI Video Generator and let's upload those images we created earlier. You'll be asked to add a prompt. This is where you can describe the scene or what you want the video to focus on. Then choose the model you want to use. There are tons of great options, but for this video, we'll stick with the Go Enhance model for now. Now, set the duration of your video. Let's go for 5 seconds, hit generate, and in just a moment, your video will be ready. Once the video's done, take a quick preview. Look at that. Doesn't it look fantastic? But wait, we can take it even further. Want to make your video look like a Pixar movie or maybe even anime style? Go Enhance has an amazing feature for that. Here's what you do. Click on Send Video to Video. Now, you can choose from different styles. For this one, let's pick Pixar because it's perfect for children's stories. Once you select your style, adjust the duration again, we can keep it at 5 seconds, and hit Generate. In no time, your video will transform. Hit Preview again, and check out the difference between the original and the Pixar version. Pretty cool, right? The transformation is amazing. If you want your character to talk in the video, like those Disney movies where the characters have super lifelike conversations, Go Enhance has a lip sync feature. This would let you sync your character's mouth movements with the dialogue. We're skipping that for now, but definitely give it a try when you're working on your own videos. It's a fun way to add some Disney-like magic to your animations. Step 4, putting everything together into a final video. We're almost there. Now that we've got one scene transformed, repeat these steps for all your other scenes. Once all your images are turned into video, you're ready to move on. Now that we've got our animated clips and voiceover ready, it's time to stitch everything together into a polished final video. For this, we will use CapCut. First, open up CapCut and create a new project, then click on Import and select the video you created with Go Enhance. Once it's in your media library, drag it onto the timeline. Next, grab your voiceover, which we'll say you got from 11 Labs, and drag it onto the timeline just below your video. Sync up the voiceover with the video by adjusting the timing so they match perfectly. Now, let's add auto captions to make your video even more engaging. Just click on the Captions button, and it will automatically generate captions for your video. You can pick a text template that fits your video's vibe. Next up, let's add some music and sound effects. Head to the Audio tab in CapCut. There are loads of great music tracks and sound effects to choose from. Drag in your favorite background music and adjust the volume so it doesn't drown out your voiceover. Now it's time for transitions. Click on the space between two clips on the timeline and you'll see a bunch of cool transition options. You can pick a simple fade or something more dramatic like a zoom or slide. Want to add a bit more visual flair? CapCut also has some fun effects. You can find something that fits your video's mood. Once everything is looking just right, preview your video to make sure everything syncs up. If you're happy with it, click Export in the top right corner to save your video. Choose your export settings, and in a few moments, you'll have a video ready to share with the world. Step 5, share your masterpiece. And there you have it. You've just created a professional animated video from scratch using Go Enhance AI and CapCut. And it didn't take forever, did it? If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I've got tons of tips coming your way on how to grow your channel, create awesome content, and even make money from your creativity. Got any questions or feedback? Drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching.